Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Bliss. So today is finally day 8 of Navratri makeup look series and the color is Peacock. So this is the look I have created for today's color with the nude lips, peacock eyes and false lashes. To know more how to get this look, you have to watch this entire video till end. So without wasting any time, let's get into this tutorial. So first I'm going to start with applying this alcoholic primer from Show Cosmetics, and I really love the primer because it really quickly blurs out the skin and also gives a cooling effect on your skin when you apply it. After primer, I'm going to use this Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer from Show Cosmetics, and again this moisturizer adds really beautiful and natural glow to your skin. Now it's turn off my favorite concealer, Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids, under my eyes and area in my mouth. After applying, I'm going to blend this with help of the brush. Now I'm going to apply this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, and my shade is 330. So first I'm going to apply in dots, then afterwards I'm going to blend with my fingers, and then I'm finally going to blend this foundation with help of my brush. Also, while doing your base, don't forget that you also have to apply makeup products on your neck area so that your face and neck skin will look similar. After blending foundation, I have set my base with compact powder. For eye makeup, first I'm going to use this heavy duty kohl from Sugar, and the shade is Peacock, and I'm going to apply just half of my eyelids. Now from the Fantasy palette from Show Cosmetics, I'm going to select Muted Burgundy shade, and I'm going to apply it on my outer V of my eyelids and on my crease area. And while blending, I'm just first going to start placing that color. Then afterwards, I'm gently going to blend with the Peacock shade which I have applied previously. For my blush, I'm going to use this lipstick from Mama Earth, my all-time favorite lipstick hack, that is using it as blush, and the shade that I'm using is Candy Floss. For lips, I'm going to use this lip combo. Lip liner is from Wet n Wild and the shade is Chestnut, and the lip color is from Inside and the shade is Joyful. First, I started with applying lip liner, that is outlining my lips, and afterwards I'm going to fill my lips with the lip color. Final touches to my eye makeup, that is I'm going to apply this Muted Burgundy shade on my lower lash line, and have applied mascara already, and then I have applied eyelashes on top of it. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you really liked and enjoyed this video of day 8 look of Navratri makeup look series. So tomorrow is going to be last day of Navratri makeup look, so do subscribe to my channel to get notification of that new video, and please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you think about this look. So I'll see you next time in another video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.